Guys, it's me again, Anne Christine, and welcome back to another staycation vlog. Today, we are here sa Swissotel Clark, and I'm really excited because kaka-open lang nito nung March 1. And today is March 16, so yeah, isa kami sa mga naka-first dibs. We are staying sa premium room nila with 2 beds, and as usual, I'm going to give you guys a room tour. Let's go! So, upon entering the room, of course, meron tayong foyer, an iron board, and of course, pang-iron. And in the second door, we have 2 robes and 2 room slippers. Yan. And they even have velvet hangers, laundry bags, a Bentley hair dryer, and then merong safe, storage. Here naman, we have the bathroom. And I really love the vanity mirror. I love all these lights. Then these are their toiletries. Merong face towel, and then shower cap, shave kit, sanitary bag, vanity kit, deluxe dental kit, and merong comb. Now, I'm gonna show you guys something really cool about this bathroom. And it's going up. And then you could also put it down again if you want privacy. There, it's really cool. This, I think, is my most favorite part of the room. I have never seen a minibar as extra as this. Guys, look. Nespresso, and these are Nespresso pots. All complimentary, and of course, water and initan ng water. They have more stuff like tea and then sweeteners. Fridge. Meron donuts sa loob. We bought it earlier. This is a room. It has 2 beds. It has this lounge chair where you can enjoy the view. This is the view. Wow. That's the TV, and this is the working area. So, kanina, ito yung kino-control natin. Now, let's control the main curtain. Just simply press open or close, and then also yung temperature ng room natin, makakontrol natin here. Light 1 and light 2. There you go. And then they have alcohol wipes and face masks. This is for wireless charging naman. That also works as an alarm clock. This is for LAN. And then, yan, iba-ibang type. So, that's all for the room tour. Now, I'm going to give you guys a glimpse naman of the common areas and the pool. Actually, nandun yung family ko ngayon sa pool. And puntahan na natin sila. Let's go.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on.
Say hi.
Cool air blows a memento
Nagwawak-wak yan sa pool.
as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry.
Say goodnight, vlog!
Nice vlog.
Ayan, and Tala is fast asleep. Super pagod from swimming. Sabi kayo mag-sleep ni Tala.
Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up, and I can feel